In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Wix. Whether you're new to Wix or just need a little guidance on how to navigate this feature, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in and make sure you're comfortable with the interface, especially if you need to get a closer look at the finer details of your website design. First things first, you'll want to head over to Wix.com. This is the starting point for accessing all your website projects. Once there, you'll need to sign in to your account. It's pretty simple. You can enter your email and password, or, if you prefer, you can sign in using your Apple, Facebook, or Gmail account. This flexibility is great, as it means you can choose the most convenient method for you, keeping everything streamlined and straightforward. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the dashboard of Wix. From here, you should see your website projects. Look for the option that says Edit Site. This is your gateway to entering the Wix editor. Now, you're in the place where all the magic happens. This is where you have full access to tweak and modify your website to suit your vision and needs. Now, let's get into the zooming aspect. If you need to see your website elements more closely, you can utilize your browser's zoom controls. This is especially helpful when you want to examine detailed areas or ensure everything is aligned perfectly. Depending on your operating system, you'll press Ctrl and the plus key simultaneously to zoom in. If you're on a Mac, remember to use the Command key instead of Ctrl. This increases the magnification of your page, allowing you to see both the content and layout more clearly. You might find that zooming in helps you catch details or design elements that you might have overlooked in a standard view. It's a handy tip, especially if you're particular about the aesthetics or functionality of your website. Plus, once you're done, zooming back out to the default view is just as easy. You can either press Ctrl and the minus key, or use Command and minus if you're on a Mac to return to the normal size of your page. To wrap things up, being comfortable with these zoom controls in the Wix editor will make your design process smoother and more efficient. It gives you the flexibility to scrutinize every part of your website without feeling confined to the standard view. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy editing!